like yeah, I'm not having fun. Welcome back, guys. It's the weekend, so that means we can work on some stuff again. We're with Tode because I'm waiting on a startup tune or something for Klaus. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to start him and he's just backfiring. I don't know if it's something to do with the new injectors. They need a new tune file or something, but I don't know yet. So we're gonna do up Tode a little bit. You saw in the last video, we drove him around. It was sketchy and scary and probably gonna die. But today we're gonna try to fix some of those problems. I need to bleed the brakes. Then we're gonna fix the coolant leak. Then I got a new clutch cable that we broke. And then we're gonna try to change out these shocks, because whenever you go to give it gas, it looks like this. The whole thing lifts up. When you get off the gas, it shrinks down. I just think it's because these old shocks suck. So went on good Amazon. We got these. I'm sure they're still Chinesium special, but they look cool and they're like pretty hard to push down. That might work. Also got a chain tensioner because chains sloppy, loose. So I think what I'll do is push this bar down a little bit, which will make this tighter. And then I'll throw that bad boy like right in there, underneath there. That might work. Who knows if it'll work, but that's what we're gonna do. What else? I'm sure there's other stuff that we have to do, but let's get to it. Alright, well, I don't know if you guys saw all that or not. These dumb $50 Amazon shocks are not gonna work, because when I put them on, they're actually a little bit shorter, so the engine hitting it. But besides that, when I was pushing up and down on this, it was even worse than the stock shocks. Like, I was putting 20 pounds on this and it's just bottoming out the shocks. So I said that's not gonna work. Then I thought, I was like, well, maybe I can mount them in a secondary position, going like from there to there. But there's just too much going on. I'm like, no, we'll do that. And the wife's like, well, just get better shocks, which is the right idea. But that's hundreds of dollars, and that's not what this build is. We're going for the bare necessities to make it street legal and fun. So what I did is took some 1/4 inch steel like little plate and connected it to that bolt hole and that bolt hole, and if you can see, it's semi-thin and bendable. So what it will not let it do is have the cart max out anymore when I'm giving it gas. It's acting like a stop, but it's also still going to bend in. You can see it better on this one. So still, when it wants to compress, this will bend out. So it's like a stronger spring. Like, you can press on it now. See, it's still bending. And with the tires, we'll still have some suspension, just not a crazy lot. But for the budget build, that's what it is right now. So, shifter, no, clutch linkage. Let's do that next. Okay guys, we got it all done. We got Ethan over here. You guys know Ethan,
yo.
10th scale garage, but he's all bundled up right now. Yeah, remember the last video? That was on Tuesday. Today is Saturday. It's gone from 70 to 30 and snowy.
32 degrees out and snowy.
Gosh, 40-degree swings.
This is ridiculous.
But we got the chain tensioner on. That's good. We bled the brakes. They're working well. Fender's back on. He's finishing up his harness, getting that right, and we're gonna go for a little ride in Tode and see how it goes now. There we go, baby. Ready to do some shenanigans? Let's see if it actually works first.
Probably not, but hey, this is what we're along for, right? Yeah, baby. It's gonna be interesting. We should have brakes this time.
Yeah, that helps.
We got seatbelt.
That's always a plus, right?
Except it. Uh-oh.
It's just cold.
That's not good. Here we go.
We got all these with our coats on.
Oh, I know. You guys were wearing shorts.
Yeah, I know.
3 days ago in the last video. And now we're here all fucking. She's chugging it out here. Woo! Uh-oh.
You got some wallet on you? I don't know.
Probably. Are we going to Earnest? Yeah!
Hey, second.
Yo, we out here doing this for real. This is oncoming traffic, baby. Getting out here for real. It's really hard to tell. Those chains look tight. I don't think they're jumping.
Then what the hell is jumping?
I wonder if you're turning the tires and hitting knobs.
Really?
I don't know, man.
Yeah,
It's either that or it's missing. Those are good and tight. Woo!
Yeah, those are.
Oh yeah, legality. You know when it can be.
Oh look! Wait, hold on. What's that?
Oh yeah, turn signals, baby.
Yeah.
What'd you know? Those are the same turn signals I have on my Grom.
Yeah, they are.
What do you think, dude? This is wild. Right on a terrible idea.
It just like
It blew that weld, didn't it?
Yep. Right there. Oh, it blew this weld.
Yeah.
So I need to find something and we gotta shove it in there.
We gotta find somebody close with a welder.
No, the keyway right there. We'll be able to get something in.
Woo!
Let's push this to the front. Scott's here.
We broke. So we broke. We blew the keyway weld off this bad boy right here.
Right when I hit the downshift too.
It was, man. I think actually, dude, it might have been slipping the whole time. That might have been what was going.
So I'm gonna have to
Woo!
do 360 welds on that instead of just.
Yep. It's gonna need some more.
All right, guys, we're back. We stopped into Earnest. We had a couple pops in the water. So what happened is I threw a couple tack welds, the gears onto the jack shaft, and it busted them. Specifically on this side, it busted 4 tack welds, 2 on each side. So the only thing I could find inside there was an aluminum screw. And it fit in there pretty tight, so I started screwing it and then beat it in with a hammer. And
It's locked, so
it's locked a little bit.
We'll see.
So we're gonna find out, and I think it dropped from 32 degrees to like 20 some degrees.
Oh my goodness, it's so cold.
It's so cold, but
Let's see. Like, I was kind of happy there for a hot second. Like, oh, hey, this is going to be awesome.
aluminum screw, not strong enough.
My legs hurt.
Everything hurts.
Dude, I feel like yeah, I'm not having fun. Woo!
Oh, okay, guys, we got it fixed again. We jammed a concrete screw in there, and we're gonna try to start out like in third and see how that works. Well, we made it back. I don't know what you guys saw because when we got back the camera was off and like froze off. So who knows where it stopped. But we made it.
So, yeah, total unsafe method. But, hey, it got us home, right?
It really did. Look at that. That is a concrete screw we jammed in there and bent. And we got home.
Hey, it got us home. That's
Got us
really
home.
what
It
matters.
was starting to skip a little bit. And then we were like, screw it, by the time we got into the neighborhood. And we're going around some corners fast, and I started to give it some gas, and this thing drifts.
It just so quickly.
So easily. So we got that to fix. maybe the clutch. It felt like it was slipping. We'll release some of the cable tension.
It's hard to tell with having a you know, a drywall screw is your keyway, but
True.
We'll see. We'll see.
This right here in the clutch, I need to chop it down some because it's hitting up here, or move it down. What else we gotta fix that? And then maybe get the RPM gauge and speedometer, maybe the coolant, get all that stuff.
That'd be a plus.
Get all that stuff to work would be a big plus. Because maybe it's on camera, I won't know until we see it. But it was smoking bad. Like, we had a smoke machine, and it's because coolant is still coming out of that overflow and then hitting the radiator, which I don't know why it would be. It shouldn't be overpressurizing the system. I don't really know, but all I know is it's lots of fun. Do you even wear down the tires? No, I cannot wait to do a burnout though. Maybe not in these tires. We need to get some second tires. These are going to be good for off-roading.
Oh no, we're gonna burn these off.
Okay, yeah, we're
definitely gonna do that.
Let's do that too. Oh, well, all right. See that right there? That's what we do. We just gonna send it. But we're gonna go ahead, end it off there, and we will see you guys on the next one.
Peace out, homies.